Well, welcome to another Memphis Answers. Today, on today's project, Frozzoli asked the question. He says, you shimmed the middle post out a couple of inches past the deck boards, but it looks like the top and bottom posts are flush with the deck boards. I was expecting to see it bowed out in the middle, but it looks straight. What am I missing? Let's answer that question. Here's a deck rail we're talking about. The top post up here is right against the deck boards, and the bottom post down here is right against the deck boards. The question is, on this center post, why is it 2 inches beyond, shimmed out from the deck boards? And here's a close-up of that 2-inch gap right here. We put these shims in to create that gap. Why'd we do that? So the mystery or the paradox is that rail is straight, but the end post and the top post are set right against the deck boards, set against the deck boards, and set against the deck boards. But this one, middle one, is not set against the deck boards. But the thing is still straight. How could that be? And here's the answer. And the answer is, I wanted to put this baluster in here. That's the board that goes all the way the length of the rail, and I wanted to attach it to the inside of the post here. And it's to the inside of the post down here, and to the inside of the post here. But I didn't want to put it on the center post. I didn't want to put it on the inside because it would weaken it. I wanted it to be continuous across the center section. Same thing down there. See, if I were to put it on the inside here, you know, if I'd have cut an angle here and put it on the inside, that would have weakened my rail. So, in order to do it this way, I had to take up the distance of this 2x4 right down there. And that's the answer. So that does it for this Memphis Monday, or this Memphis Answers. I'll tell you what, I'm just gratified whenever a person like Frozzoli watches my video so closely to find a subtle point like that that I didn't even cover in the video. I should have, but I didn't. But I'm gratified that they are watching so closely that they actually caught that, the fact that it was spaced out 2 inches. So that's really, you know, that's really wonderful. And so I hope I answered the question, and I'll try to upload this video and get it out there the same day as the original video came out. Thanks for playing along.